Hello guys, we are back here at London Heathrow Airport with a radio. Let me quickly go get that for the Emirates A380 lands. One sec guys. Oh my gosh. Right here now, radio. We're ready.
Right left, 09 left, 5 miles. 5 minutes off today, could you get ready?
What do you mean? There we go. There we are. Oh my god, it's flipping freezing. Here we go. Emirates A380-800. Tuner's Air. Retro livery, it looks like. We have got no freaking cool. Here's the Emirates. You guys ready? You guys are ready. Emirates A380 coming through. Yes. This is pure great. It's not just that. Wait, what is this? And it's got no reverse thrust at all. Probably because it knew it has more roar than the reverse thrust. That's what I think at all. But there's the assembly point, not an Emirates A380.
Contact downwards for decimal 905, right? 4905 Emirates, full copy Yankee, goodbye.
There we go! That's it, we just had the word Emirates. Now thank you for watching guys, and I hope to see you when the next A380 lands. Thank you. Or a 747, which is supposed to take off soon.